don't find happiness. If you are still struggling to find happiness, then I think this will be a meaningful story for you. Let's listen and think together. An old man lives in a small village. The whole village is bothered because he is always complaining, making everyone around feel gloomy. Increasingly, he made everyone around him uncomfortable. He always made everyone who met him feel unhappy. Because of that, everyone in the village tried to avoid facing him. But one day, when the old man turned 80, everyone was surprised by the rumor. Today is a happy day for the old man. He did not complain about anything. He did not wince, even smiled a lot. The villagers gathered around the man and asked, "What happened to you?" "Nothing special. For the past 80 years, I have been trying to pursue happiness, but to no avail. I just decided to live without happiness, just enjoy the present." To my surprise, that was also the happiest time of my life.
Dear friends, that's life. Everyone wants to be happy, but happiness really exists at the very moment that we are living. Try to close your eyes and feel what your life would be like without these eyes. You have to walk around in the dark. You won't be able to see the faces of my loved ones. You won't be able to do whatever you want. You won't be able to see nature, masterpieces of people. It's just eyes. We still have 2 healthy hands and feet that can walk freely, while so many people were born with their bodies not intact. Look at the orphans, the homeless. For them, just having a family home is already too happy. It's the simple things we always take for granted, but for those who don't have them, it's a treasure. Every morning, just opening our eyes, seeing the light, breathing in the fresh air is enough for us to feel grateful and happy. For me, happiness is simple: resting after a hard day's work, seeing everyone's smiles, doing crazy things when stressed, eating a delicious dish, being cared. Happiness lies in those things. Buddha also said, "Do not regret the past. Do not think about the future. The past is gone. The future has not yet come." Indeed, because the past, even with regret, is no longer there, and the future has not yet come. We do not know what will happen tomorrow. That's why we need to cherish every moment. Stay in the present moment and feel the happiness we have. There are many people who are in pain and suffering when they lose someone they love. But if only they knew how to cherish every moment with the person they love while they were still by their side, losing that loved one would only mourn, not regret. So the ancients often said, the most precious thing is not gold, silver, or jewels, but what has been lost. It's because you don't realize the value of what you have until you lose it. You see that it's really precious to you. So, come back to the present moment, realize that, in the present moment, you have too many precious and happy things. The present is a present.